Good morning, student. So today I will going to discuss about Python Panda programming. In our Python Panda programming, today's topic is string manipulation. So as we are discussing the string manipulation, today's topic is also a string manipulation. So in a string manipulation, what we can see, first and foremost, we can see that we will use a program in a program where we are making or capitalizing all the string. That means we are making all the strings and we are capitalizing it, we are forming it into a capital letter. Okay, so we are capitalizing the string. Next, what you can see, the next part that you have, that is using a center functions, these particular functions, and we will do the program. And next, what we can see, using the count function. So you can we are using here the count function, and using the count function, how we can implement this particular count function in a string. This is the particular thing that we will going to see. So let us start the program and let us see what we have. Now see this particular program, only two-line program it is, but this two-line program has said so many things. I haven't called any header files, I haven't called any particular specification, nothing I have called. Just what I have doing, I want to implement this particular thing, I want to transfer it into a capital letter. So here in a very simple way I have shown you, when you use in your program, in the different program, you can use it in a very different way, but the function will remain the same. Okay, function will remain the same. That means what we have done it here, what is the initialization? Only two-line program. That means you will say that what this two-line program will going to do. But in this two-line program, there is so many things are hidden, so many things are there, so many functions are there that are being collaborated and that are being utilized. And when we are utilizing it, when we are making it, we can find it. The thing will going to be implemented and thing can be used in this particular way or particular manner. So we cannot find that what is the depth of the thing. That means if you think it very minutely, then only you can find out the depth of the particular program is. But in one shot, we cannot find it. So this is what we have done. What we have done it here, that s1 equals to individual. That means we are giving here the individual thing. So this is the individual that we are giving, that the individual that we are making it. So each of this particular individualizations, each of this particular individual facts that we are using, we are making it, we are framing it into a particular pattern or structures. Okay, so what we have done here, that print s1 dot capitalize. So capitalize capitalized what, the bracket open and bracket close. So this particular capitalized, when we are opening the bracket, when we are closing the bracket, there we find it that the total structure of it, the total pattern of it will going to be implemented, will going to be done by this manner and by this way. So when we are implementing it, when we find it, the thing has to be used in this particular way. And this is the particular way of the work that we are doing, and that we are constructing them, we have made them, and we have utilized them in this particular pattern. Okay, so those the particular pattern that we can find, those the particular structures that we can find. So each of this particular pattern, each of this particular structures that we have, that we are maintaining it here, that we are working it here. So those the work that we are initializing, those the work that we are giving it. So we are making those pattern, and we are making those structures. So when we are making those patterns and when we are making those structures, so each of this particular pattern or structures that we have, that we do maintain, that we do organize. So we are organizing them in a certain way or in a certain manner. So as we are organizing it, as we are making it, or as we are implementing it, what we are doing, see, s1 equals to, I have given some words. Okay, or many word we can give, that is not any particular matter that I have given here only one word. You can give as many as word, you can give one sentence, that I'll show you another program coming up. The program is there, I have written one big sentence and how we are converting it into a different form. We are seeing the link that I'm going to show to you, but here you can give your big program. That means you can write many letters, many sentence, many words, and you can make it a very big sentence. So when you can make it a very big sentence, this the particular very big sentence what is there, that print s1, what we have written, that print s1, then it capitalized. So what we want to do, we want to make it capitalized. So how we are capitalizing it, how we are making the thing capitalized, we are seeing it, that we are calling here some function. What is the function? Is that the function is capitalize function, capitalize, capitalize function. So bracket open, bracket close. What to be capitalized? S1. What is S1? The value that is stored there, isn't it? The value that is stored there, that particular value that we can find it, that we are capitalizing it and we are making those particular pattern. We are working on this particular structures that we want to find, and we can see it, that how we are implementing it and how we are working it. So when we are working on this particular pattern, when we are making those pattern, as we see it, okay, this is the thing that we can find. This is the part that we can find, that what we are implementing, what we are working, we find it that each of this particular work, each of this particular structure, that we are introducing it here and we are making it here. Okay, so this is the made of the particular value. This is the implementation of the particular value that we are using and we are working. Let us see what is the output that we can get it from here. See, see the output. So what we have seen, the first letter what that was in a small letter, that has been formed into or transformed into a capital letter. Okay, so this is what the particular program is doing. This is how the particular program is working. So when we find that this is the way the particular program is working, we are inserting the values and we are having those particular values to be implemented and to be worked with, we can make those particular pattern of implementation. Now let us see the next program. Now dear student, see the next program. In this particular program what we have, I have taken a particular method that I have called here a center function. Okay, now how the center function will work, till we are not seeing it, that we cannot see, that I have taken one value, variable name is s, and in this particular variable I have written something, that Techno India. Okay, so in this particular area, that where we are giving the particular pattern, where we are implementing the particular pattern, so those the implementation that we can find, that we have here print s dot center is 15. That means these the positions that it will going to have, and it will going to bring this particular positional fact. Okay, next what we can find, that print s dot center 25 then asterisk marks. That means that 25 positions will going to do, and then the asterisk marks will be there in that particular area. So before of that, so this is the things what we can see. This is the part what we can find, that when we are calling those functions, when we are calling this particular pattern or the particular function, in this particular function what we have this particular data that we are giving to it. Okay, we are giving to it this data. Data is what? Data is a group of words. Okay, it is a group of word. There we have given a group of word, and in this particular group of word, you can find it that I have given it in a capital letter. I can give it in small letter also. That doesn't matter, that how you are giving it, whether you are using a capital letter or whether you are using a small letter or you are using a mixed letter, that doesn't matter. Okay, so when we are finding the thing, when we are seeing the thing, that particular thing is been implementable, this particular thing is been workable. So as we are working on it, as we are making the particular structure or the pattern, so each of this particular structure of pattern that we can see, that they have those pattern of implementation, and they has those pattern of what that is been implemented and that is been worked out. Now what is the work, what is its work that we want to give? What we say that print s dot center 15, that means this is the positions, that means we can find it that it will going to take up positions, and that the position it will going to print it. Now print s dot center 25 then asterisk mark, that means we can say it that those the value that is there that will going to print, and it will be followed by the asterisk signs, isn't it? So this is the particular format, this is the part of a format that we can do. That means how we are designing it, how we are implementing the particular design. So there are the different type of designs are there, there are the different forms of design that we can do to decorate our page. Now these are the design means what, based on this asterisk, question mark, or at the rate of, all these different symbols are there. Now how it will going to segregate, how you are segregating your values, how you are making your values to be printed with and to be given a particular perfect output from there. So when we are getting the perfect output from there, this is the output that we have, this is the output that we can find, that we are having those particular pattern of output, and as we are having the particular pattern of output, we are implementing it. Okay, so when we are implementing those the structures, when we are making those the pattern or structures, so each of these particular pattern or structures that we are having and that we are maintaining, we can find it, those the maintenance, those the particular maintenance of the structures we have implemented and we have worked on it. Okay, so when we are working on it, when we are making the thing, we have to see that how we can make the implementation much more presentable, much more workable. So here what we have seen, you have seen it the last program also, and before of that also in the string implementation, that there we are using the different type of functions. So we are calling the functions as in the list, as in the dictionary, that we have called the functions, we have worked with the functions. So we are calling here a different type of functions, and we are working with a different pattern of functions. So as we are calling the different type of functions, as we are working on the different pattern of functions, so each of this particular pattern, each of this particular type that we are constructing and that we are making, we do have those particular pattern, we do have the particular structures, and when we are making those structures, when we are making those patterns, that means they are being implemented and they are being worked in a certain way or in a certain form, that the format, okay, that the form or that the format that we can find, that this is the certain way that it will going to work, this is the certain format that we can find it, that it will going to implement. So each of this particular format, each of this particular form that it has or it has in its implementation area, we will going to have this particular structures, and we are working on these structures, we are making the structures to be implementable, we are making the particular function to be implementable. How? That means the implementation, we are saying in mount that we will implement, not that. The implementation should be in such a way or in such a phase where there should not arise any error. That means we will try to reduce the error. If any error arise, we should rectify those errors, and after rectifying the errors, we will going to run the particular program that we do have. So this is what we can find, this is what we can see, that when we are constructing it, we are making the structures and we are working on it. So let us see what the output then we can get it from here. So in this particular one, you see here that first the Techno India is given, and 25 means what? You can see this particular area that this the values has been written it here, and we can find it those the structures. What are the structures is there? We are having this particular pattern or structures, and we are implementing those particular pattern or structures. Okay, so this is how we can see, this is how we can find it that how the particular implementation of the data can be done and how we can work on it. See, there are the asterisk marks are there, and in between of that it has been given, that means it has come in the center position of that. So this is how we can see that we have those data and we are working on this particular data. Okay, now let us see the next program. So there you can see in this particular program what you can find it here, that here I have given the function. He loved this book and his toys and his baseball bat, and that his father gave. So what we see is the print s1 dot count his. Okay, so how many his is there, that will going to count. Next, what we number of time this appears within a specific range. So s1 dot count, here also we are seeing his. Now what we see, a number of time his appear in the range s1 dot count his 0 15. Okay, now number of time the he's appear in this range s1 dot count is 0 comma 25. Now what are all these things, how the thing is been implemented and how the thing has been worked on. So we can see it, we can find it that when we have taken one sentence, when we have find one sentence, in this sentence first and foremost we have find out with this particular implementation that we are counting that how many he's is there. Okay, how many he's is there. Then after that what we can found that we are specifying the his. After that it has been 0 to 15th number of position, from 0th position to 15th number of position. Next one from 0th position to 25th number of position, that means before of 25th means 24th number of position. How many he's are there, that you find it out. So this is what we are doing. As we are finding the particular product, we are also doing the work of segregation or slicing. Okay, as we have done in the previous programs of the slicing in the list, in the dictionary, in the string also I have shown you the slicing. So different area, different part that we can find that how we are slicing those variables, how we can make the slicing of these variables, and how we can implement them. Okay, so this is the implementation, this is the particular pattern of implementation that we are doing or we are constructing. That means what we are doing here, we have actually taken one particular data. Okay, we have taken one data where we have a combinations of many words and words has been framed into one sentence. Okay, so from this sentence, that first we are taking out from the total sentence how many his is there. So that we have counted it. Next what we have find that from 15, that means 0 to 15th position, that means till to the 14th position, how many his is there, you find it out. This is way this is the pattern that you can find, this is the pattern that you can see, that you can implement it and you can work on it. So let us see what we will going to have and how we can find the particular output that we can implement it and we can work on it. Okay, so let us see the output of it. So now see here what we have seen in a total sentence that we have. In this particular total sentence we have here 4 his. Now after 0 to 15 there is 1 is, then 0 to 24 there is 1 is. So this is what we can find, that a number of his that appears as we are constructing the data, as we are constructing the words. So those the words that we are constructing and that we are are implementing and that we are making, we are implementing it, we are making it in a such a way or in such a form that we have a certain pattern of implementation structure that we do made it. So you have seen it, I have used the count, we have used the center positions and different type of functions I am showing you. Along with the function, different type of implementation of the strings also I have shown you. I have shown you the concatenation. Here also again I have shown you the concatenation with some words, with some specification, concatenation with some specifications, that also been shown to you. So in this particular program, so there you can find it, that those the values what are there, that we are implementing it and we are working it. So thank you all. Today I am ending my today's program here. Thank you very much.